Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Shopaholic. Mike and Jenny are checking their monthly expenses. Jenny notices something strange. I can't believe how much money I spent on clothes this month. It's crazy. What did you buy this time? I don't even remember. I just know that I have a problem. I need to stop before I go broke. Maybe you should consider seeking help. I think you have an addiction to buying things. I don't need help. I just need to control myself better. But sometimes I can't help myself. I'm a total shopaholic. But it seems like it's getting out of control. You can't keep spending like this. Quiz time. What does shopaholic mean? Someone who is addicted to shopping? Someone who hates shopping? Someone who works in a shop? Someone who doesn't have money? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. Someone who is addicted to shopping. Teaching moment. A shopaholic is someone who is addicted to shopping, the same as an alcoholic addicted to alcohol or a workaholic addicted to work. Being an alcoholic is a very serious thing. However, we often joke with the words shopaholic and workaholic. Examples. Tom spends all of his free time at the mall. His friends joke that he's a shopaholic. Lisa is such a shopaholic, she buys something every time she goes to the mall, even if she doesn't need it. Jane's closet is overflowing with clothes she never wears. She's definitely a shopaholic. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Go broke. Become broke. Seek help. Look for help. I can't help myself. I can't stop myself. Overflowing with clothes. Too full. Not enough space for clothes. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.